Okay, I'm back in the implementation. I'm going to code the add number method, which is job to add an account number and a word to the map. And the pseudocode tells me pretty much exactly what I need to do here to start with. If my map is called account map, yes, account map that contains key of account num, then it already exists. So I can just grab the value from the map, .get, and that will return to me a tree set of string that's the words associated with this account. I can add word to that list and then put it back into the list. And make word count equal to words.size. Otherwise, it doesn't exist. So we have to create a new map entry using the account number and a new tree set. Oh, but this has to be, we have to already have that word in there. I guess we have to do this in 2 steps. I guess we have to create the new tree set in the first step and add the word to it. And then put that in. So it looks like, gosh, are these two methods, are these two parts of the if statement really the same? No, they're not, because in the first one it gets the string from the map, in the second one it creates a new string. But after that, everything's the same. Wow. We add the word to the list, add the word to the list. Put the list back in the map. Get the word count. So we have some redundant code we can get rid of here. We have some redundant code that we can move outside the if. And do that in every situation. So we'll just create the tree set before we begin, or declare the tree set before we begin. And if the account already exists in the tree, we'll get the words from it. If the account doesn't exist in the tree, we'll declare words to be new. And then in all cases, we'll add the word to the list, put the list back in the map, and then put the word count. And then we'll get the word from it. If the account doesn't exist in the tree, we'll declare words to be new. And then in all cases, we'll add the word to the list, put the list back in the map, and then put the word count. And then and return the size of the word list. Can we make this a little simpler here by just returning that directly? Okay, let's clean up our comments here so they're lined up. Okay. Then the last big method we have to code is update high count. And I think it's pretty straightforward. This code looks pretty good. Is it called high count? Capital C? Yes. It's called winner circle, lowercase w, capital C. Okay. Then we have our accessor methods, which is pretty simple. In this case, winner circle is already a tree set, so we just need to make a new list from that in order to meet the signature. So we know that winner circle is already a tree set. So we can just make a new list from that, and we can just return that. A new list of string. And winner circle is a tree set of string, so that's good. And to access the list of words, in a similar way, we know that we just have to look up that item in the map in the same way we did here. And that's going to return a tree set. And so we can just return that tree set as a list string. And the last accessor is just toString. Okay. So we have code for PhoneMap. Save that. We have code for console UI. And the main method. Okay. So we have code for everything. So now we can take a break, and when we come back, it will be time to do a code review.